Yeah, I am Naina. I'm a second year undergraduate from IIT Bombay. And along with academics, I have participated in many other events like technical events, cultural events. And right now, I'm just focusing on exploring about AI and how it can be, practically implemented. Before I joined the program, I had a very vague theoretical understanding of what AI and LLMs were. Like most of my knowledge was from scattered online resources only. I did not have a clear path on what I should learn or what actually, later on would help me on. So I only had a very vague idea of how theoretically it worked, but the practical thing was really out of my reach at that point. What made me join was basically I followed you on LinkedIn, and through your post I got to know that it was a mainly a project based, like a hands-on project based real time based learning. So I did not want to get into theory much, like because I already had a little bit of theory and I did not know much how it actually worked, so I wanted to learn about that. So that is why I joined it. This course really helped me to learn how to build something, like how to build the end-to-end applications using the LLMs. Like most online content, they don't teach you that. They only give you theoretical definitions and how things work. They give you a very vague, understanding of what it is. So here I got to know like how everything works, like how the basic chunks like prompts, chains, and those all they finally make up to a actual functioning system. This is actually my first internship that I have received right now, and through this I got to know that interviews, they don't just see how much theoretical knowledge you have, they want to know if you can approach a problem practically. So this course was very practical, and it really helped me in my interviews to answer them on how I would approach to build a solution. From passive learning to active learning, that is the biggest shift that I've got here. I started thinking of how I would actually design something instead of, like just going on like reading some of the notes, vague notes that I've made before. So it gave me a lot more clarity on how AI systems are structured, which made me think more on how to, build something from my own. Compared to before, I feel very much more confident. And also that I've already gotten an internship far before any of my friends here have got it, so that made me feel more confident. So I would really thank you for this course, like it really helped me a lot. Definitely recommend this course to any student here. Like I joined this because of my, I thought like it was a very, and it was actually a very practical related course, so it is useful for any student who want to actually explore the AI based knowledge, because I had no previous much knowledge on this field, but once I joined this course, I started building something. So I think it is helpful for anyone who is interested in AI. I would say whatever I learned was completely before this course. Whatever I learned was good enough. It was like very theoretical, and I knew what they were, but I did not know how to use them up and to make something that I really wanted to. But after this, I can now use all of my knowledge here to make something for myself.